Today, I'll show you how to create an awesome magic clone effect in CapCut PC. This effect adds ghost-like motion clones to your subject, making your video look futuristic and dynamic, perfect for creative edits and music videos. Let's jump in. First, import your video into the timeline. Now, go to the effects panel and make sure you are in the body effect tab and search for X clone. Once you find it, drag and drop it onto your video. Instantly, you'll see multiple motion clones following your subject, creating a magical, eye-catching effect. Now, let's customize it. On the right side editing panel, you'll see 4 key sliders. Horizontal moves the clones left or right to adjust their position. Strength controls the visibility and intensity of the clones. Rotate rotates the clone trails to create different motion angles. Speed adjusts how fast the clones move and fade. Experiment with these settings to fine tune the effect to your liking. And that's it. You've successfully added the magic clone effect in CapCut PC. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut tips and tricks.